how to increase the auto screen out time in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can increase the auto screen off time of your Android device. So if you are using your Android device and you think that your device screen powers off or goes off quite easily or too early, then what you can try to do is simply increase the screen off time. So let me show you how you can do that. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the settings of your Android device. You can do that by tapping onto the settings icon, and now under settings you need to find the setting that is display and brightness. So simply click onto this display and brightness setting, and then inside the display and brightness setting you will need to scroll down until you see this option that says auto screen off. So here is this auto screen off, and currently you can see that the time is set to 5 minutes. You can change it by tapping onto this, and from here you can choose another preset. So if you want to increase it, you can choose it to 10 minutes. You might also need to provide your password to do so. And once you are done, you can see now that the time has been set to 10 minutes. It will take a much longer time in order for the screen to get turned off. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.